All right, simple solution video 52 answers. All right, number 1, we're talking about some hockey pucks. And they're saying that she's 36 is her goal. It's 10 more than she shot yesterday. What equation could you use to represent how much she shot yesterday? This is A. Where to find H? You subtract 426. 26 hockey pucks. All right, number 2, we're chopping pecans on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And they want to know if she does the same chops for the next 4 days. How many will she have in total? Well, first, we need to find a total. This is going to be 20, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, so 620 over those 4 days. But they want the next 4 days as well, so you're going to multiply this by 2. I'm going to move mine down here. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 600 is 1,200. So this is 1,240 pecans. You could add this twice. You could do these differently, but your final answer is 1,240. All right, we have expanded form. 6,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 5. That one's easy peasy. All right, number 4. Billy spent 3 hours and 34 minutes playing 18 holes of golf. He finished the first 9 holes in half the time. How many minutes did Billy take to play the other 9? All right, so first off, we need to know 3 hours and 34 minutes. So 3 hours is how many minutes is what we need to know. So you're going to multiply 3 times 60 for 180 minutes. Add in those 34 minutes for 214 minutes. Now, the last ones he did in half the time. So you have to take half of 214. And that just means dividing by 2. So 2 can go into 200 100 times. My new number is 14. That goes in 7. And half the time would be 107 minutes for the other 9 holes. All right, number 5, we have subtraction. 6, 5, 2, 2,564 as the difference. All right, number 6, this is something you haven't really seen in Simple Solution yet, but you should know that we always do what's in parentheses first. So always do what's in parentheses first, then bring down everything else that you haven't used, and you're going to see that to solve this, you do 3 times 8, which is 24. Basic stuff there. All right, number 7. So looking here, you need to think, how many times greater is 20 than 2? And that's 10 times greater. All right, so what you do up here, you do down here for a denominator of 100. All right, we have 7 kilometers. How many meters is that? That should be 7,000 meters. Number 9, we're looking for the sum. 11,630. 11,630. All right, number 10, it's saying a rectangle has 2 sets of parallel lines. There's a set, so that makes this the same. Here's a set, so that makes this the same measurement. Fill in the missing links and find the perimeter and label it. So perimeter you can do 2 ways. 2 times length plus width. This one's my favorite. 8 plus 5. P equals 2 times 13, which is going to be 26 centimeters. All right, number 9, we are looking at missing Z. So this is a 90-degree angle. We know 34. So we have to get rid of that to figure out what Z is, and that is 56 degrees. All right, number 12 is a pattern. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Simple here. Start with 5. Add 5. You could put skip counting by 5. Alternates odd, then even would work. Anything else bring to me, I'll check for you. All right, 13. 24 is a multiple of 1, 2, 3, blank, 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 12, and 24. All right, well, boys and girls, these are your factors. 1, 2, 3, blank, 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 12, and 24. All right, so obviously it's 1 times 24, 2 times 12. This would be 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. Now, like I said, multiples are just the skip counts. So what that means is you're looking for the factors that get you the multiple 12. So if you're looking for numbers that can fill these 2 spots, and those are the only ones which happen to be the factors of 24. Oh, sorry. 24. That's how you would do that. All right, looking at 14, is that likely 30, 70, or 110? We can get rid of 110 100% because this right here is a 90-degree angle, and that would be closest to 70. 30 is just silly. All right, 15, draw line segment PQ. All right, so if you notice, this is what it looks like. So you'll have 2 lines labeled 1P and 1Q. And that is a line segment, which means it has 2 endpoints.